Okay, welcome to a project. This time obviously we're back to the resin art. I've got a few different canvases here. This time I've actually hot glued these legs onto it and put tape underneath to see if we can help the resin not stick to the bottom. I've got some of this resi blast here and I've never used it before, so I should be putting this into some of the whites that I use. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it.
Know me, take the time to dig deep underneath this red heat. We could really meet. Layers, it's time to lose these naysayers. We're better off, the air will be richer, and everything's so much easier. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. Scary, it can be rough and quite fearsome, but to win big you gotta risk some, and I'm not like the other ones, no. Oh, we don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long. Oh, love is lovely when it starts. Come with an open heart and give romance a chance and get to know me just for me. Don't bail out and leave. No, 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 we can do as we please. Oh, don't listen to them as they preach. We don't need to work so hard, we don't need to act strong. It's been too long.